If you're watching this video, very strong possibility that you're suffering from psoriasis, eczema, acne, or some other rash or some other serious skin disease which has been around for quite a while. I would also venture to say that you've been to many medical doctors, skin specialists, dermatologists, and possibly other modalities like Ayurvedic medicine and traditional Chinese medicine and even acupuncture. But what we found over 40 years is that a lot of these modalities, they work up to a point, but they don't always heal the psoriasis completely. Now, why is it so important to understand the next one I'm going to say next? It's important to note that every skin disease you've got of any type always as a source, as a cause, not a symptom, as a cause, it is to do with inflammation internally of the body. Inflammation meaning inside flame, heat. So if you've got psoriasis, your liver might be inflamed, your kidneys might be inflamed, your colon might be inflamed, so you have to calm it down. So what we found works is a series of superfoods that we give to our psoriatic patients, our acne patients, and so on. And those superfoods work very well in reducing the acidity and the heat and the inflammation and lift up the alkaline profile of the patient. And that helps greatly, that combination of foods helps greatly in healing the inflammation, calming it down, and hence you get full relief in due course of the psoriasis. Now, the food I'm going to talk about today, I call that a superfood. It's called a mango. That's called a mango. Now, mangoes can be, you can get it from 55 pence to about £1. That one I got for 55 pence, a company called Lidl. And that is an excellent fruit because of what? Inside, you see the flesh will be, when it's ripe, inside will be yellow. That yellow is beta-carotene, which beta-carotene is a great healer of any inflammation. Beta-carotene. It is also very rich in vitamin C, and the vitamin C, which the bioflavonoid complex, which includes the vitamin C. It is also full of rich fiber. Very important. You notice after you've eaten a mango, you might have some fibers stuck in your teeth here. Well, those fibers are soluble fibers. So you need to have the soluble fiber to work and the insoluble fiber. For example, the spelt, like I showed before, the spelt is insoluble fiber, which is important. And the mango's got soluble fiber, which is also important. So is the pineapple. Now, when you combine when you eat the full mango, all the flesh, you get this fiber, you get beta-carotene, you get vitamin C, you get vitamin C complex, the bioflavonoid. That is incredibly important to calm down the inflammation in your body. Now, one of my favorite salads is I combine a whole mango, a whole pineapple, and I chop it up in chunks, and I add chili sauce, and I add sel de Guerin. That is an excellent salad to have after a main meal. So if you've had meat, fish, chicken, eggs, if you eat this combination of mango and pineapple, chili, and sel de Guerin, you have a very powerful digestive system that will take place on that. If you do that every single day, all protein that is left undigested in the body, when you eat this mixture I mentioned, it'll be eaten away from inside. It'll be broken down, and it will come out of you, and that will give you enormous relief for your psoriasis.